Imagine looking up at the night sky, a familiar canvas of twinkling stars, but tonight something is profoundly different. The moon is simply gone, vanished without a trace. No explosion, no warning, no celestial fireworks, just silence. Just a black void, an unsettling emptiness where our constant companion once shone, a beacon in the night. The world reels, caught off guard by this impossible event. News channels scramble, desperate to explain the unexplainable, to fill the void with information, any information. Scientists panic, their models and theories rendered useless in the face of this cosmic anomaly, and humanity feels a deep existential shock, a primal fear of the unknown, a sense of profound loss. The moon wasn't just a pretty light, a romantic backdrop, it was a gravitational partner, a silent guardian, shaping our planet in ways we barely notice, yet utterly depend on. Its sudden absence is more than unsettling. It's a violation of the natural order. It's catastrophic, a harbinger of unforeseen consequences. The moon's gravity stirred our oceans, creating the tides that have shaped coastlines for millennia, stabilized our axis, preventing extreme climate swings, and influenced life itself, dictating the rhythms of countless species. Now, that invisible hand is gone, leaving a void in the fabric of our world. Earth is like a ship without a rudder, lost in a vast ocean, drifting into chaos, at the mercy of unpredictable currents. The stars seem brighter, more numerous, but they only highlight the emptiness, the profound absence of our lunar companion. Questions flood in. Where did it go? How could this happen? But the real crisis isn't the mystery of its disappearance, it's what happens next, the consequences we are about to face. The loss of the moon's pull sets off a chain reaction, a cascade of events that will reshape our world. Our planet's rhythm, its delicate balance, oceans once predictable, climate now volatile, even the tilt of our axis, the very foundation of our seasons, begins to unravel, threatening everything we know. The first moonless night is eerily quiet, a silence that speaks volumes. But it's the calm before a global storm, a tempest of change that will engulf the world. Humanity stands on the edge of a new, unpredictable world, staring into the abyss of the unknown. The journey ahead will be rough, fraught with peril, and nothing will ever be the same. The world has changed forever. The tides collapse overnight. The moon's gravity once powered the rise and fall of our oceans. Now only the sun's weak pull remains. Tides shrink to a fraction of their former strength, devastating intertidal ecosystems. Mussels, crabs, and countless species vanish as their habitats disappear. Fisheries collapse, coastal economies crumble, and ports become obsolete. Ocean currents slow, nutrients stagnate, and marine life suffocates. Even coastlines shift, as the balance of erosion and deposition is lost. The world's coasts fall silent, not from a great wave but from the lack of one. The presence of the moon has been a silent guardian, a celestial anchor. It has kept Earth's axial tilt remarkably steady over vast stretches of time, giving us the reliable and predictable seasons we depend on. But what if that anchor were suddenly cut loose? Without it, our axis, no longer held in check, begins to wobble wildly over millennia. The consequences would be catastrophic. One era, Delhi, a city known for its heat, could freeze solid, transformed into a landscape resembling the Arctic. Another, just a few centuries later, it could bake relentlessly under an endless scorching sun, turning into an uninhabitable desert. Agriculture collapses. No one can predict the next season, planting becomes a gamble, and famine becomes widespread. The very rhythm of life is disrupted. Climate zones dissolve, and mass extinctions follow as life fails to adapt to the rapidly changing conditions. Ecosystems crumble. The planet becomes a chaotic spinning top, its orientation and therefore its climate, at the mercy of the gravitational tug of distant planets. Ice ages and heat waves trade places unpredictably, creating a world of constant and devastating flux. The stable, nurturing world that allowed life to flourish is irrevocably gone, replaced by something far more hostile. Earth becomes a planet of violent, unpredictable extremes, a testament to the moon's vital role in maintaining our planet's delicate balance. Nights become truly dark, a profound and encompassing blackness descends, altering the very fabric of our world. The absence of light is not merely a visual phenomenon, it's a shift in the delicate balance of nature, and a disruption of the rhythms that have governed life for millennia. No moonlight graces the landscape, casting familiar shadows and illuminating our path. The moon, once a constant companion, a celestial guide, is now conspicuously absent, leaving a void in the night sky. Just faint starlight, a mere whisper of cosmic light, and the distant glow of city lights, a reminder of human presence in the vast darkness. These feeble sources of illumination offer little solace in the face of the overwhelming blackness. In rural areas, far from the artificial glow of civilization, darkness is absolute, a tangible presence that envelops everything. It's a darkness that speaks of isolation and vulnerability. The Milky Way blazes across the heavens, a river of stars, but offers no comfort, its distant light unable to penetrate the oppressive darkness that surrounds us. Nocturnal animals, creatures of the night, lose their guide, their innate sense of direction and timing thrown into disarray. Their world, once predictable, becomes a confusing and dangerous place. Predators struggle to hunt, their natural advantages diminished in the overwhelming darkness, their survival threatened. Prey populations explode unchecked by their natural enemies, leading to imbalances in the delicate web of life. And entire ecosystems spiral out of balance, the intricate relationships between species disrupted by the pervasive darkness. Billions without electricity, already living on the margins, face deeper isolation and fear, their vulnerability amplified by the all-encompassing darkness. Humanity's connection to the night, a bond forged over millennia, is severed. We are adrift in a sea of darkness, disconnected from the natural world. The moon once governed our stories, our calendars, and our very sense of wonder, inspiring awe and shaping our understanding of the world. Our creative and spiritual lives are dimmed, our imaginations stifled by the absence of the moon's gentle light. The moon's absence is not just physical, it's more than just a missing celestial body. It's a cultural and psychological void, a profound loss that resonates deep within our collective consciousness. Ancient myths, songs and art, inspired by the moon's ethereal glow, lose their muse, their source of inspiration diminished. The darkness is more than the absence of light. It's a tangible force that shapes our perceptions and influences our emotions. It's the loss of a shared human experience, a collective connection to the cosmos that has defined us for generations. We are left with a sky that feels empty, barren, and devoid of the magic and mystery that once captivated us, and a world that feels smaller, more isolated, and less connected to the vast universe that surrounds us. The moon's violent birth may have made life on Earth possible. Its presence shaped our climate, oceans, and even the chemistry of our world. Could it really vanish? Not in reality, but this thought experiment reveals its true importance. The moon is our stabilizer, our nightlight, our silent partner in evolution. Its slow drift away is measured in centimeters per year, not sudden disappearances. Next time you see the moon, remember, it's not just beautiful, it's essential. Without it, Earth would be a lonely, chaotic place and life as we know it would unravel.